So in this lesson, we'll be discussing what is a flow inside Flow Designer. So it has multiple components, right, as you see in the screen. So you have the trigger and you have the action components. And on the trigger part, you will see here that you have some features that you can create, right? So you can basically trigger once a record has been created or updated, right? So it can be on a schedule as well, right? So it could be coming from a service catalog, or it could be a coming email coming from an SLA or a report. So you can do more on top of what has been mentioned, but let's start on or focus on the areas mentioned here. As you improve your platform skills in ServiceNow, then basically you can look deeper as we move forward to our lessons. So now as we basically start the trigger, so you'll see here is like it's pretty straightforward. So once you do the trigger, right? Once a record is created, for example, then what are you going to do? What action are you going to take place, right? So you can ask for approval, send the task, right? Or do a search, update a record, and so on, right? So um, this is one of the basic actions, right, in the Flow Designer, and that is more, right? More actions that you could basically utilize, right? So as you click this documentation here, so I'll leave that for you to explore, right? These are the different use cases that you can utilize the power of Flow Designer. Thank you so much for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.